Alright, so I just want to do a little bit of a tear towards me. And this paper tears very easily and cleanly. It's quite thick. Now the goal is to get this somewhere around 4 inches by 5 1/4 once we're done. So that's why we cut it a little bit large to make room. That's a little bit bigger tear than I was looking for. Alright. If you collage, you could try to save these, but honestly there's so little it's difficult to tell what paper pack it even came from, so you could also recycle. Crafter's choice. And now we just need some ink and blending brush. Alright, I've selected the Stampin' Up! Crumb Cake ink. I think that's going to be a pretty close match. I don't want it to be crazy dark, just a little bit darker. Alright, we'll gently tap the brush, get it started, and I'm basically just looking to dye the torn edges and maybe a smidgen of the paper. The blue on the other side is kind of making an unusual color looking here with as it flips. That's unfortunate. Alright, now the edges are looking a bit aged. I'll just kind of bring it in just a little bit. I'd like some texture on this, so we're actually going to crunch it up like a ball. Kind of aging it. So pull out the crumb cake one more time. Tap, tap. Now this is just a gentle going over. We really just want to get the wrinkles highlighted. I'm barely touching the brush to the paper. I really am just looking to get these elevated crinkles done.